And welcome to this tutorial on inventory items. So what exactly are these inventory items? Inventory items are a way of simplifying the entry of items when creating manual invoices in AdWorks that are not associated with an ad. Now, by having these items predefined as inventory items, basically eliminates the repetitive task of entering these items when creating manual invoices. So in order to set these up, you simply go to the setups area of the program and select inventory. Now you're going to see all the inventory items that you have set up so far, and all you need to do is select new code and enter your code. Now these codes can be anything that are meaningful to your organization. They can be numbers, letters, or a mix of the two. And you can enter your description and whatever price or default price that you want to define, and select an ad type and also a GL code that you want to assign this inventory item to. And then from here you simply press save. And now when I go back into the manual invoice creation window, and I'm going to say create new invoice here, and you will notice on the left hand side here there's a little magnifying glass. By selecting that magnifying glass, you're going to see your inventory items that you've created. So you just simply double click and it's going to predefine all those values for you. And again, the idea here is to simplify the entry and standardize all the text and descriptions throughout the program. Now, when you're done with an inventory item, you can simply come back in here, and if there's ones that you never foresee using again, you can simply delete them. And again, there's no repercussion on the past data. It just deletes it from the list. It won't be used again. Or if you want, you can also set it to inactive so that it will not appear anymore in the manual invoice creation window. And that's it. Simple as that.